guys, what's going on today? We're doing another outside, well not outside video, just another kind of vlog thingy. Today we're out in the wilderness with Erin.
Hello.
Pam.
Hi.
And Mrs. Tour Guide and Daisy. Hello Daisy. Hello. So yeah, that's basically what we're just gonna do. You know, this could be like one of those lost videos found in the forest. Imagine.
Adventure in the forest.
I wonder who made that. Nettles there. Back off! Back off!
Look at that there. That looks lovely. Hey, mushroom.
Whoa! Wonder who made this. Probably some good sticks in there. Got some lovely flowers. Got some nice mushrooms. Some shrooms. Look, we got people putting stones. Yeah, hey Erin, can you pass me my bag for a sec?
Yeah.
Which one? There you go. Here you go. I made this. And we coated it in waterproof stuff, so we can just throw it in the lake, but we won't, because that's illegal. And instead,
Oh, that's lovely.
Hello Daisy, are you having fun? Yes you are. Look at that river.
Big and deep, isn't it?
Yeah. Watch this wall.
Don't go down there, Daisy.
What do you mean the loch? The loch. Another mushroom. These trees could be good for climbing, but I have the camera. Look at that. Oh, it's like lights, some cloth. It's cool. More nettles.
Yeah, we have to try and get rid of some of these nettles.
Another mushroom. More weird pipe things in the river. These look like lily pads.
When the river goes quite fast.
Oh, they're like little plants. Cool. Ooh, look at that creepy area of the forest. Oh, that's like the perfect scene for a horror movie based in the forest.
Yeah.
Like the Daisy Smart, like the Witch Urn. The Witch Urn. Oh, Daisy. Wait.
Sorry, I got candles. Daisy here.
Daisy. I'm not gonna let you get stung by nettles. It's just not possible. I don't know what I would do with myself.
Both of you on the roof here, look.
Yeah. There you go.
Perfect.
Let's take a break here.
Yeah?
Yeah. Let's take a break here.
Yes, of course. Let's take a break. And Harvey, if your legs are getting tired, you just say.
Okay.
Okay, that's no problem. Just look interesting in here, doesn't it?
Got like a den area.
A door at that end. You might
Like a wall.
Yeah. We haven't got this little door down there.
Where? Oh yeah.
be going that way, Let's see the little door. Oh wow! Right. cool is this? I open it.
Yeah. Here you go.
Oh wow! Do you like it?
Yeah.
That little door's amazing. Erin, come and see this wee door. It's
No.
adorable. I love it.
You got like. This is cool.
This is like a
Oh, hello. Okay, that looks creepy from any other direction. I would not recommend.
I've got your water here.
We got a nice tree. Very nice tree.
Shall I get some water?
Thank you. Yeah, this is a good spot to have a break.
Make something like table and chairs.
Hello, Daisy. Hello, Daisy.
Bobby loves outdoor stuff, doesn't he, Erin?
This place is nice. Pretty good.
Yeah, so we do lots of woodwork and
I would definitely recommend.
yeah. Oh yeah, he's hands on. Yeah.
But like, is that cobweb? What was that? Oh, it's just me breaking a mistake.
Yeah, they're 12, 15 something. Get older than yeah. Yeah, well, one's left, she's polished, and one's open.
Daisy. Where's he hiding? What's he got? Where's Harvey got? What's he got?
I like breaking these sticks. Daisy!
Where's he got? You got sticks? Biscuit.
Let's continue moving on.
Do you want to give Daisy any biscuits or that?
Uh,
Next break.
let's have a break. Let's just continue going on.
Continue. That's okay?
Yeah, so
Mum,
yes, darling, you want to? Right, we'll go on a bit further and then we'll dance back.
okay, sure.
How are your legs feeling?
Good. Huh? Okay. Beautiful sun. So beautiful. What was that?
There we go.
There you go, Daisy. Come on, Daisy.